Hi everyone, welcome to this brand new DigiNoor website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can purchase your favorite NFT with the cryptocurrency of your choice. So I'm going to start off with quickly connecting my wallet. As you can see, my wallet is successfully connected. I'm going to receive my NFT in my wallet after my purchase. So I'm going to head over to collections. I'm going to pick my favorite collection, which is Chandramukhi, and I'm going to pick the Rajali NFT. So as you can see, the NFT has popped up. This is what I will be buying, this exclusive scene from the film. So I'm going to go ahead and buy it for the fixed price of $12, and this is the equivalent in Ethereum. So I'm going to click purchase. I'm going to say buy using crypto slash card, and I'm going to choose crypto as my option. So I'm going to buy with crypto. And Meta and Coinbase pops up immediately. Uh, in Coinbase, I want to make the purchase uh, using Ethereum because I have Ethereum in my wallet. So I'm going to click Ethereum and this QR code pops up. So I can open my app which contains all my cryptocurrency and I can scan this QR code, or within the same app, I can copy this address, paste it and send the right amount of Ethereum. What I'm going to do now is scan this QR code with my app that contains all my cryptocurrency. So I have scanned the QR code and my payment has been sent for processing. And that was the tutorial on how you can purchase an NFT using cryptocurrency. Thank you.